Hello coffee lovers, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura ENA4 espresso machine. And we fixed a leak in this machine and also did a tune-up to get it functioning really well. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. You can see the beans going down as the machine grinds the coffee. This is pre-infusion, and then the full shot. You see we have a nice crema. Then we'll test the steam. To wait a minute for it to heat. Alright, let's go ahead and test the steam. See, we have nice, powerful steam coming from the machine. So, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our video below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.